Alright, so what I would do, I would take, this is a different sheath, I just have it for demonstration purposes. I would take your lead end and I would put it through a hole like this, loop it around the back, and then come through this hole. And that'll create the first belt part. And then I would take the paracord and loop it, or like diagonally exit over onto this hole. Sorry, trying to do this with one hand. And at this point, you're going to want to bring as much slack to this end as you can, or as much as you need, or so much, because it's going to be hard to pull it once you have two exit or two diagonals in there. And then I would take this from the back end, loop this through, this hole like this. And then I would come back around like this, and I would probably either tie it off directly here and burn the edge, if it's perfectly sized to a belt that you like, or I would use this end as a slip knot, and then you can tie knots, at different increments or on this end that'll act as different sizing gauges.